Right, the first thing you do, guys, is a small little baitwater presentation from Mr. G from the Fish Bar. Just open your worm like that. Alright. Take your choker hammer, tap that a little bit, put it in there. This is how we're gonna do it. Tie your choker tightly down, and remember we are targeting white steenbras, right? So yeah, as you know in my previous video, what I told you it does, it sucks, right? So we want to leave a little bit of a taster for him at the bottom, right? So I'm going to put another piece of taster at the bottom here. Remember, there is only to serve your base. And then I'll show you now why we open our worm. Right? So there's it. And now for the worm, all you do with the worm is you put him through a hookie. Open him up, nicely. Put him through. Guys, I prefer salted worm over fresh worm. Fresh worm works good, but salted worm stays a little bit longer on the hook. Right? So, and look how beautiful this bait is looking. Marvelous. Beautiful steenbras bait. Steenbras will come, suck, and boom. First hakkie vang him, second hakkie vang him in the oog. Bam. And een.